Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I got a little parcel in the post sometime between Christmas and New Year, and I thought, oh, better get round to doing this. This one is from the kind people at KYGMW, and the lovely Jenny contacted me and asked me if I would like a couple of products that she would send me and review on my channel. So I said yes, I'm always open to reviewing and having a look at new things. So they have been sent to me free of charge, but I will review them as I would anything else. So let's get in and have a look. They are a little bit different to what I would normally buy, but let's have a look and see what we've got. Okay, so let's have a look at the first one. This looks a bit Christmassy, but that's okay. Christmas comes round every year. So nicely packaged. So what do we say? Oh, we've got a nice little... Oh. So, yeah, I can't read that. It's either in Chinese or Japanese. I think it's Chinese. But yeah, that's going to be the little picture. So it's not a diamond painting. These are actually tapestries. And, oh, it feels quite nylon-y, shall we say? You know, like the old, thicker though, thicker than nylon and not quite as static. But oh gosh, I don't think I'm going to be able to show you the whole of this because it's quite large. Okay, all right. Okay, so what I'll have to do is take this into the bedroom to show you it fully. But we'll have a quick chat about them now and tell you about them. So this is like the Christmas scene one. And it's quite a different Christmas scene as well. I'll show you the bits that I can. Set nicely finished off on the edges. We've got a, is that a blanket stitch, is it called, that goes around the edge? It's a long time since I've done any sewing, so I'm not quite up on my sewing terms anymore. But we've got a lovely like robin, although it does look more like a bullfinch with his red front there and his little white wing. But yeah, he's sat up in the tree. We've got Santa there. We've got another that looks a bit like a bullfinch. I don't think they're robins. We've got some sort of church in the background there. I'm sorry, I don't know what denomination the church is, but it's got a lovely gold top to it. We have a snowman down here, and then a beautiful stag. Look at that, with a wreath around his neck. That's lovely. Very Christmassy. Okay. And it looks like he's stood on like a harbour, like a jetty. This is all water here, and we've got all snow here. So we've got our couple of log cabins. Oh, I'd love to be in one of those log cabins at the moment in snow. We've not had any snow here this year. Very sad. We do like snow. I know it's not nice, anybody that has to go out in it and has to work and things, but it's a wonderful thing. Right, oh, for some reason we've got a penguin. Not quite sure why we've got a penguin. It looks like more like a Rocky Mountains type scene to me, with your log cabins and your lake and everything and your stag. But this is quite a big penguin as well. Maybe it's a snow penguin. Maybe somebody's made it out of snow. And then we've got another little bird up in the top corner here. Okay, so as you can see, they are quite see-through. You can see my Scotty Dog logo through this, so they're not a really thick item. They are actually a wall hanging, from what I can gather. Let me just have a quick look at the notes. So it says, it's lightweight, so you can take it anywhere. Multifunction, stylish decor to any room or table. Can be used as a wall hanging, a tapestry, a beach towel, a yoga mat. Yeah, well, I think it would probably move depending on what floor you're on, because it's quite, you know, slippy on the back. There's nothing to stop it. I suppose you could put your little, like, you can get like Velcro dots to stop mats moving, can't you? So I suppose you could maybe put one of those on the back to stop it moving if you did want. Be a shame to use it as a yoga mat though, getting all perspiring on it, shall we say. Ladies perspire, don't they? Eye-catching and beautiful pattern makes it attractive. Great gifts for your friends and family. It's a brushed polyester, so yeah, it is polyester. It is, that's what I thought it was. It comes in 3 different sizes. This is the 100 centimetre long by 75 centimetres wide. It also comes in another half size up, which is 145 centimetres by 130 centimetres. And then like a double size, which is 200 centimetres by 145 centimetres. So actually, yeah, this would make a lovely table covering for Christmas, wouldn't it? Yeah, or if you've got a little coffee table, or you're making a display, you know, you could put that in the background. And if you've got one of those little villages, you could put the little village in the front of all your little log cabins and things there. So yeah, quite a bit to do. I suppose you could use them as maybe like a picnic blanket. I mean, it's polyester, so it's going to wash really easily, I would like to think. There's no washing instructions on it, no. Right, so it just say type hand wash and machine wash pro. Right, so hand wash, machine wash process. So it's a weaving pattern, so I would think put it on maybe a very gentle wash. But yeah, I can't see, I mean, polyester's a really durable product, isn't it? Oh gosh, do you remember polyester sheets when you were younger? If you still have them, you're a better person than I am. If you still have them, oh dear me. I remember my friends having them, and the static that it used to create. You used to have a nylon nightie and a nylon sheet, and it'd be like crackling as you got out of the bed. Set fire to the curtains on the way past. Goodness me. But no, this is lovely. This is a lot softer, a very soft feel. And of course, because it's polyester, it's not really going to crease. It's got some creases in, obviously it needs ironing because it's come through the postal service. But yeah, that, do you know, I'm awful. I do this when I go looking at clothes in shops. I crease them up to see. Yeah, there's no creases from doing that. So that's pretty good. And then the other note that it does say, it's due to different monitor and light effect, the actual colour of the item might be slightly different to the website, which I think we pretty much know that. That's just common sense to me. And then please allow 1 to 5 centimetre measuring deviation due to manual measurement. So I think it's the way that they actually measure them and do them. You know, if it's done by hand, maybe the cutting can be a little bit different, but yeah, I think that's pretty good. What will I do with it? To be honest, I think this will go on my table next Christmas. I think I will use it as a tablecloth. Yeah, I don't know if we'll actually be eating at the table, but yeah, I think that's really, really nice. As I will show you the full view of it on the bed. Okay, oh, price of these. All right, let's have a look at the price. So the one that I've got here, the 100 centimetres by 75 centimetres, is £6.38. You then go up to the 145 by 130 centimetres is £11.23. And then the 200 by 145 centimetres is £14.43. So for a large tablecloth, I think that's a pretty good price, particularly for a printed tablecloth as well. But again, use it as a tapestry on your wall. I mean, it would look superb, you know, if you've got a big blank wall and you've not got thousands of diamond paintings, which I seem to have had this Christmas, then that is going to look brilliant, just hung up on the wall. So yeah, like that one. Okay, let's pop that one to one side and we'll have a look at the other one. They did send me 2. They gave me a little budget, and it was so difficult because there's lots and lots of different ones and different themes on their website to have a look at. So I'll pop that out of the way because we need the space, don't we? So this one, I think this one was £6.38. This one was a slightly higher price, but they're all round about the same sort of price point, which is really, really good. And this one, look, is an all year round one. I think if you can see that, it's like a stag with its little babies. Oh, and this is all in pinks and purples, my kind of colours. Let's move that bit of paper. Okay, let's get it opened out. Again, same nice sort of nylon-y material, lovely. And oh, this is gorgeous, love this. Oh, it has got a Santa on it, so it is quite a Christmassy one. I was thinking because it had the flowers on it. It's got like tulips and mushrooms and things down at the bottom here. I was thinking this was an all year round. I've got daisies down here as well. So, okay. Well, I suppose you could always fold the Santa over. So if you're hanging it on the wall so you don't see Santa, and then at Christmas you can just bring Santa out. But yeah, it's got the deer family look. Look at that. So we've got, I'm not quite sure which is which. I know the stags have got the antlers with the points on. And then this one looks like this is baby down here. So it could be mum, dad and baby. Or it could be brother and sister, or two brothers, whatever you want it to be. But I just thought this was really pretty. And it's all, oh, I've got snow. Looks like we might have snow at this side then. Yeah, so maybe it is a bit wintry. But again, all nicely edged. You know, there's no fray in the, I think it is a blanket stitch. Let me know in the comments down below if you're a better stitcher than I am. And you know, I do think it's a blanket stitch though. But yeah, I was, as I said, I was surprised that, albeit we have had snow in April here, so it is possible that I suppose there could be like the spring flowers, the tulips and things coming out. And I mean, these look sort of daisy-ish, but they could be like daffodils, just opened out a lot. I don't know, no good at flowers. But yeah, really pretty. And again, for the price, I think that's lovely. My granddaughter, I do believe, is having a woodland themed bedroom done. So I may give this one to her to put up on her bedroom wall for a lovely woodland theme. I'm not quite sure what colours and everything she's going for. She's quite a little eco warrior, really into her recycling and everything, is my youngest granddaughter. So yeah, this one may be going to her. Or again, she could use it as a cover for, even to put across the bottom of the bed. You know, people tend to have like a throw at the bottom of the bed now. You could use it for one of those as well. So yeah, I am quite impressed with these. We'll have a look, see if there's any other sorts. You know, they're quite nice. It's nice, better than a normal tablecloth, I would say. As I say, they are quite thin, so if you're putting anything hot on your table, I would put mats and things underneath, or put mats on top to put your pots and things on, and your plates if they're hot. But yeah, really, really pretty. So we've got two lovely throws, tablecloths, wall hangings. I mean, they call them a tapestry. There is no embroidery on it. But actually, if you do embroidery, or particularly maybe machine embroidery, you could always embellish this and embroider around it. And you could also do like beads and things, put beads on the flowers and things. You know, you could really jazz these up however you want to do. You know, I've seen quite a few people with beaded embroideries. So maybe if you've got beads left over, you know, they've got the little holes in and things. I mean, you could stick on your diamonds, I suppose. Any of your special drills and everything, you could even use those. I would think if you get some good fabric glue, that your diamonds would probably stick to this and then maybe seal them afterwards. But yeah, certainly the flowers are crying out to be blinged up at this little bit, particularly with the little centres there. And then all your, they do look like daisies. There is a flower that's like a big daisy with a big middle. I know there's echinacea, but I don't think they're white. So hey, go me, listen to flowers. Okay, we've just got a few. I was going to say they're birds, but they're not, other than the marks on the trees. Oh, go my eyesight. Okay, so that's number two. So I will do a quick little show of them fully spread out on the bed. I'm not going to measure them because it does say allow 1 to 5 centimetres. And looking at the size of this on my desk, it does look like it's about the 100 centimetres, which is what, about 36 inches, 3 foot. So yeah, it looks like a yard. Okay, so this is number 1 tapestry, and I hope you can see it there. It's on a single bed, a 3 foot bed. So yeah, it's quite a big size, this one. I'm stood up on my tiptoes so that you can see from arm's length as well. But yeah, I think that is really nice. I love the colours. I'll be interested to see how they do wash, but this one will be going away with my Christmassy things until next year, albeit I think I will give it an iron before I put it away, because there's some major creases from it coming all that way. So cool iron, possibly a cloth on top just to sort of like steam press it to get all those creases out. But yeah, that's number 1. And number 2, how pretty is that? I love the colour set on this one, with all the flowers and the silhouettes of the deers in the middle. That is gorgeous. As I say, I hadn't noticed that it had Santa in the background. I suppose you could always cover that up, put somebody's name on it, or as I say, just fold it over, just make it a little bit smaller. But yeah, that will look great hung on a wall, or I say it looks nice on this bed actually, on the grey. I've got grey striped bedding, so that looks quite nice on there as well. Oops. Fold out that corner there so you get the full effect. Okay, back to the main video. So, okay, well, thank you to Jenny at KYGMW for sending me these, and yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed looking at them and giving them a review, and I do give them a thumbs up because I do like them. I think for the price they're pretty good. There is a special offer. I've just looked on the website today. There is 3% off, so you can get them a little bit cheaper, and I think there is some postage deals as well, so it may be worth looking on the website for the postage deals. I will put the links down below so that you can have a look at them. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed seeing this a little bit different thing, then if you can give me a thumbs up, that would be much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see more and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next videos come up. But thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.